Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a spell to heal the mind and the heart. Something to pick you up if you're feeling a little bit down, if you're feeling a little bit in a funk, if you've got the winter blues. But before we do that, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to learn more about Wicca, witchcraft, shadow work, and how you can bring magic into your life to give your life more meaning on a daily basis, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, then I have a free video called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. So I'm back in my magic section here today. It's middle of summer here in Australia at the time of this video, and this room is incredibly hot and incredibly humid, so I don't do my videos in here anymore usually when it's this time of the year. But because my altar's in here, that's where I'm doing it today. I'm going to be doing a spell from this book here called The Daily Spellbook for the Good Witch by Patty Wigington. Great book if you're a beginner, or even if you're not a beginner. Very simple spells in this book, spells for all occasions and all situations. It's a spell a day, basically working around the calendar, working with the seasons from the Northern Hemisphere point of view. And really simple ingredients that you could probably pick up at a supermarket or some place near you. You don't have to go and, mail order herbs and items that could be costly, or you can't source where you live, and so you've got to import them, and then that's more expensive, and then you've got to wait for it. It's something that it's just simple. And living here in Australia, where a lot of the herbs that are used in magic are not necessarily easy to grow, or they're quite expensive to import, I like to use magic that either uses local resources or something that I can easily source without spending a fortune. So in this spell, all you need is 3 blue candles. You can of course use white, because white is your general all-purpose color if you don't have colored candles. Traditionally, white was the color that witches used for pretty much every spell. Colored candles came along, and so we like to use color and put a bit of color into our life. Blue is very calming, it's very peaceful, it's very serene. It can help you just feel a little calmer within yourself. It can help you feel more at peace with yourself. And so if you're feeling a bit in a funk, if you're feeling a little down, if you find that your thoughts are a little bit negative and you're maybe beating yourself up a little bit, or you're going over old stuff, then doing this spell can just help you get into that centered space of self-love and self-care to try and gauge just how much of the feeling that you're feeling is actually caused by your own negative thinking and your own going back into old thoughts, like I'm not good enough, I'm not valued, I'm not lovable, and all of those things, because often they're the thoughts that are causing the sadness or the funk in the first place. This spell will help you become aware of that so that you can then do something about it. You will also need thyme. Thyme's just a beautiful healing energy. It's very uplifting. I love the scent of thyme. It's one of my favorite herbs. I could just sit there and smell thyme like for forever. It's just absolutely beautiful. If you're sensitive to thyme though, some people are a little sensitive to the oils in thyme, then maybe work with a chamomile or even a rose energy. Rose has got that beautiful loving energy, and when you're feeling the need for to raise yourself out of a slump, that love can actually do that for you. It's one of the most healing energies in the whole wide world, love. If you have a part of your body that needs healing, you can send love to that part of the body to help heal it, or send love to somebody who needs healing somehow. It's a beautiful energy to heal. So if you want to use rose with your thyme, certainly do that. but I'm just going to be using thyme. So let's just get into the spell, shall we? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just focus on your intent. What is it that you're wanting to do? You want to get that sense of healing. You want to get that sense of being kind to yourself. You can use the spell that I've written here, or you can make up your own. Take your candles, and we're going to roll them in the thyme. Now, I like to dress my candles with a little bit of oil so that the herbs stick to them a little bit better, although in this humidity they probably will stick even without the oil. I'm using here some grapeseed oil because grapes are beautiful for that energy also of love too. So because you're wanting to draw this healing energy to you, just dress the candle all the way from the tip of the candle towards you as you're bringing that energy to you, and do that for all of your candles. And then once you've finished doing that, just sprinkle your thyme oil either on a piece of paper, or you can just do it what I'm doing here and just basically putting it on the part of your altar you're going to do the spell, and then just rolling. And I like to roll my candles towards me if I'm trying to bring something to me, and as I'm rolling, focusing on what it is that I'm intending. I even say my spell sometimes while I'm doing a roll. So heal my heart, heal my mind, my thoughts no longer are unkind. Heal sadness, joy to me with these candles 3 times 3. And then do that for each of your candles. So with this mess of thyme, I'm going to stand my candles. Now you can use candle holders for your candles, or you can do it the more traditional way, which is not to use candle holders. Candle holders make it safer. So if you're concerned about fire, or you just want to be safe, I would encourage you to use the candle holders. The candles are much less likely to fall over if you're using candle holders. I've only got 2 candle holders of the same size at the moment. I need to invest in some more. So I'm just going to go a little bit more traditional and stand the candles up on my tile here. So this tile is your typical ceramic tile, so make sure that if you are doing spell work and you're standing your candles and they're going to melt down and they could fall over, that they're on something that is fireproof, that's not going to melt or catch fire. So always with candle magic, being safe about how you do the magic. Once you've got your candles arranged in front of you, just gaze at them and look at how they feel to you with the thyme. Smell the thyme, inhale it in, and feel the fragrance of the thyme just going throughout your body, and feeling what the fragrance is doing for your body, maybe relaxing it, giving it that sense of being uplifted. And just breathe into that thyme. Just enjoy breathing it in, breathing it in. And look at the beauty of your candle arrangement too. Candle magic is something that's meant to be beautiful too. So that helps with the magic because it puts us in a frame of mind where we're feeling the joy of beauty, and that raises our energy. So just lighting your candles. All with the same match or taper. And then feeling into your wish to heal your heart and heal your mind. Heal my heart, heal my mind. My thoughts no longer are unkind. Heal sadness, joy to me, with these candles 3 times 3. Heal my heart, heal my mind. My thoughts no longer are unkind. Heal sadness, joy to me, with these candles 3 times 3. Heal my heart, heal my mind. My thoughts no longer are unkind. Heal sadness, joy to me, with these candles 3 times 3. And tune into the beauty. Tune into the beauty of the candles. Tune into that beautiful scent of the thyme. Tune into what makes your heart sing. focus on those things as you're bringing in that kindness to yourself and self-love to yourself. Be in a memory of when you have felt joy in the past or when you felt peace in the past, to bring that back into your nervous system again, bring that back into your body again as you meditate on these candles. Allow the candles to burn down if you're just doing this as a once-off, or if you're in a situation where you've been in a slump for a while, or you know that you might need more of a recovery from something, you can light these candles and let them burn for maybe 5 or 10 minutes and then snuff them out and come back the next day and repeat the spell again for another 5 or 10 minutes until the candles have burnt all the way down and the spell is ended. If you want to learn more about candle magic and you want to incorporate Wicca into your everyday life to bring that connection to yourself, to spirit, to nature, to bring that meaning and purpose into your life through the craft, I do have that 12-month course, the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. The link to that is in the description field below this video. So if you wanted to learn Wicca this year and you're wanting to approach it from a practice point of view rather than just reading about it and learning stuff, but actually doing it, then this could be your year. So start the year off with your practice by joining the Mystery Witch School Academy. The link in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from Mystery Witch School, and I'll see you on the next video.